Hi, I'm Frankey'B, and this video is about how to share your screen and Zoom. In this video, we'll be sharing our screen desktop. Why would you want to share your screen desktop? I hear you ask. Well, so that all participants can be on the same page at the same time visually, and you can discuss things in more details, and you see things in the same light at the same time. How do you get to share your screen? Well, to get in and out share screening is really easy, but that's for later on. Now, the first things first. So without further ado, let's do it. Now, the first thing you need to do is open the application and sign in. And at the bottom down here, click on this green share screen button. This screen will appear. Now from here you get to choose whether to share your full screen desktop, whiteboard, phone or mobile devices, documents, photos, videos, and all that good stuff. Or whatever is on your desktop. And in the advanced option, here you get to choose whether to share a portion of your screen, or music on your computer, or computer sound only. This is where you get to share music or computer sound without sharing your screen. But in this case, we're going to be sharing a portion of our screen. So click on portion of screen, and then at the bottom tick these boxes to share computer sound and to optimize screen sharing video clips. And when you've done that, click this blue share button down here at the bottom right of your screen. Now, when your screen is being shared, you'll see this green border around the area that's being shared. You can make this area smaller or larger by grabbing the edge and dragging it to your required size. And when sharing is paused, you will see this border will turn to an orange color. And when sharing is resumed, it will change back to this green color. Now you'll get this control bar where you'll still be able to control the function. And you can move this bar and place it wherever you want. You can move it to your left, you can move it to your right, you can move it at the top or at the bottom. And if you click on this arrow here, it will dock at the top or at the bottom. And now we're going to be sharing our desktop. You can drag files, folders, and photos, music, and video clips in this area. Whatever you want to share. To share a photo, open it and drag it into the share area. And you can do the same with a video clip. Locate the video clip you want to share and drag it into the share area, and you can control the video just as normal. Play, stop, and pause. And you can also pause sharing and resume sharing. And when you pause sharing, you will get this orange border around the edges. And when you resume sharing, it will change back to your green. So you always know whenever you're sharing. And when you are ready to stop sharing, just click on the red stop share button here. And to end share session, you click on the red button end here. And then click on the red button to end the meeting for all. And there you have it. And that's how you share your desktop in Zoom. Well, that's about wraps it up for this video. So if you like this video and it helped you, don't forget to hit the like button down below. Leave a like, subscribe, comment and share this video if you'd like to see more videos like these. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao for now. Frankey'B. Thank you very much.